there is a great opportunity out there today to change the world.
Come sit at the table under October's April sky.
It's not always easy to be a leader, and it takes a little bit of courage sometimes to step out beyond the normal boundaries of society or expectation, but in the long run, that's how things change.
The bells chime 7 times, completed at 9. The world.
We were blown away by the passion that everyone who was there had for this project.
SmartHaus in Northbrook is a really great example of a local project really pushing the envelope.
And we have a great opportunity in front of us right now. You really can make the world a better place. My name is Mike Coleman. I'm a licensed architect. I work with Wexler Coleman PC Limited and also SmartHaus, which is the design build company that specializes in high performance homes. In this particular project, I was the architect, the design architect, and the construction manager for the process. We worked together from the very beginning, trying to figure out what the best way to build the home was, how to design the various components of the house and integrate everything into a sort of a holistic approach to building this house for the Stash.
I'm the homeowner with my wife, Jennifer, in Northbrook, Illinois, and our home is a LEED Platinum certified home.
I think what makes this project unique is that we've achieved LEED Platinum status here in Northbrook, Illinois, and we have no furnace. And with the combination of our insulation and having a tight home, along with the Mitsubishi electric system units and our SERV energy recovery system, we've really created a system here that is very efficient and doesn't need a furnace.
What we were able to do is use the Mitsubishi mini split systems to both heat and cool the house through an electric system. The biggest benefit that we found with these systems was the budget. Again, we are living in a LEED Platinum certified home, and we had explored a number of different HVAC opportunities, and originally we're thinking geothermal as the way to go until we looked at the price of geothermal and found that with the way that our home was constructed, actually installing the mini split systems was a much more economical solution.
The nice part about having the mini splits for our energy use is that our energy bill now is the same price as our energy bill in our previous home, which was about a third of the size. So having that efficiency has really helped our budget.
The energy saving audit that we've done for our home has really been through the LEED certification process, and that included a blower door test and a number of different criteria. The key that we've found with the Mitsubishi mini split systems is the cost of electricity. And so our cost of electricity here in our new home is relatively equivalent to what we paid at our old home, which was about a third of the size.
It was really the first time I've used this system, so we did a lot of research on the front end to try and really decide what the best product was going to be for this particular home. And in going through it, we were working with some engineers at the University of Illinois who had used this system before, and they recommended it to us. And we went down and looked at their home in Champaign, Illinois, took a tour of it and saw how their system was working and felt it was going to be a really good fit for us here. So armed with that information, we came back here and we really started fine-tuning the home, the envelope, and everything to work together, and felt really at the end that the Mitsubishi, the mini split heat pumps, were the best fit for us for a number of different reasons. And I think looking back at it, I would certainly go the same route again next time. And one of the other questions we looked at in terms of design was where to place the units. Again, we hadn't installed these particular systems before, so we were trying to find a way that we could integrate the look into the home. So we decided to put one unit over the kitchen cabinets, which is essentially invisible. You don't even know it's there unless you're looking for it. Other two units we put up in the upstairs bedrooms. So with those locations, you don't really even see the source of the heating energy and cooling energy that's being pumped into the house. It's there. It's sort of in the background. The ventilation system moves the air around, so we're trying to achieve equilibrium throughout the house in temperature and air pressure, which works pretty well. We sort of developed the idea of SmartHaus after looking at a number of kit-built homes, Sears homes, and was wondering if there was a better way to build in the high-performance home market. So we decided to develop some sort of standardized plans and details that we could then reproduce in different types of projects, different locations, that would all have a common theme of high performance. So what we've done is we've gone through and literally examined every piece of a home, from the foundation to the foundation insulation, to the framing methods, to the different types of insulation available, heating and cooling systems, lighting, and with the use of a bunch of different energy modeling programs and cost-benefit evaluations, we've come up with a formula that we feel will give our clients the most bang for their buck, and also in the most sustainable way that's available today within reason.